Spur, Alaska by Ayaan. Its most recent eruptions, 1992. It is 1,070 feet high. My volcano is Spur. It is named after Josiah Edward Spur, a geologist. It is a lava dome at the center of a 5-kilometer horseshoe-shaped caldera. The end.